Heavy rain simulation ensures every seal protects the luxurious interior. Perfect wheel alignment guarantees stability, handling, and tire performance. Before the first ignition, every vital fluid is measured and filled with absolute precision. Professional drivers verify performance on a dedicated high-speed testing circuit. Every visitor passes strict security before entering this world of precision engineering and innovation. Hidden behind these walls, engineers build one of the world's most exclusive $5 million. The journey begins with aerospace-grade carbon fiber, the foundation of incredible speed and strength. Every sheet is inspected to microscopic precision before production officially begins. Computer-controlled machines cut each component with perfect accuracy in just seconds. Dozens of carbon layers are arranged by hand to create unmatched structural strength. The body shell is carefully shaped inside giant molds engineered to perfection. Extreme heat and pressure transform lightweight carbon into an incredibly strong structure. Moments later, the heart of the Hypercar finally emerges from the curing chamber. Laser scanners verify every measurement within fractions of a millimeter. Solid aluminum blocks are transformed into lightweight engineering masterpieces. Every suspension component is hand-assembled. Ultimate stability at extreme speeds. Titanium parts reduce weight while delivering extraordinary strength and durability. The engine block is machined with astonishing precision for maximum performance.
Experienced technicians carefully assemble every internal engine component by hand.
Twin turbochargers are fitted to unlock breathtaking levels of horsepower. Every completed engine undergoes intensive inspection before its first startup. Robots and engineers work together to install the powerful engine flawlessly. The advanced transmission is connected to deliver lightning-fast gear changes. With the drivetrain complete, thousands of electrical connections bring the Hypercar to life. Thousands of electrical connections are carefully installed to power every advanced system.
A powerful battery system supplies reliable energy to the vehicle's sophisticated electronics.
Advanced computers constantly monitor every function for peak driving performance. The digital cockpit combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional driver comfort. Carbon ceramic brakes provide extraordinary stopping power under the toughest conditions. The steering system is engineered for razor-sharp precision at any speed. Every aerodynamic component improves stability while reducing unwanted air resistance. The rear diffuser channels airflow to maximize grip at incredible speeds. Every newly installed server undergoes performance testing before entering full production. Dedicated cybersecurity teams help protect valuable computing resources from digital threats. Stress testing verifies that each system can handle continuous high-performance artificial intelligence tasks. Routine preventive maintenance improves reliability and extends equipment lifespan. Cooling equipment is regularly inspected to maintain stable operating temperatures. Inspection drones help examine hard-to-reach infrastructure safely and efficiently. Many facilities incorporate renewable energy sources to support long-term sustainability goals. Energy storage systems provide additional flexibility during changing electricity demand. An extensive electrical infrastructure supports the immense power requirements of advanced computing.
Planning teams continuously design future expansions to meet growing demand for AI computing.
As demand for artificial intelligence grows, facilities like this continue expanding to support tomorrow's innovations. Thousands of processors work together to train advanced artificial intelligence models every hour. Automated systems help organize critical network connections throughout the enormous facility. When upgrades are needed, entire server racks can be replaced with remarkable precision.
Engineers carefully balance computing workloads to maximize efficiency and maintain reliable performance.
Advanced water treatment systems help improve cooling efficiency, reducing resource consumption. As artificial intelligence grows, new facilities continue expanding across the country.
Powerful computing systems support scientific research, weather forecasting, and complex engineering simulations.
Advanced computing helps accelerate the development of safer, autonomous transportation technologies. Even through the night, the data center continues operating without interruption. This remarkable campus combines engineering, energy, and technology on an extraordinary scale. From powerful processors to global AI innovation, this extraordinary facility represents one chapter in the continuing evolution of modern computing. Before the first ignition, every vital fluid is measured and filled with absolute precision. After months of craftsmanship, the engine finally comes to life with incredible power. The engine is pushed through demanding dyno tests before entering the finished vehicle. Thousands of sensors are tested to ensure every electronic system performs flawlessly. Perfect wheel alignment guarantees stability, handling, and tire performance. The vehicle experiences simulated driving conditions while every system is closely monitored. Large-scale battery systems provide additional flexibility during periods of changing electricity demand. Heavy rain simulation ensures every seal protects the luxurious interior. The braking system must deliver consistent stopping power under extreme conditions. Nothing escapes inspection before this extraordinary machine earns final approval. Protected transport ensures the priceless Hypercar arrives in perfect condition anywhere in the world. A protective ceramic layer keeps the stunning finish looking exceptional for years. Professional drivers verify performance on a dedicated high-speed testing circuit. Hidden behind these walls, engineers build one of the world's most exclusive $5 million